quarter in the jukebox. I don't care what song you pick. Make sure it's a nice long one so it ain't gone too quick. Something I can sing along with while I sit and toss a couple back. Think about the good times and the hard times and the times I just chuckle at. Tell me all about your life, cause I done heard enough about mine. Sitting here at the bar, cold bullshitting like it ain't nothing outside. Funny how it all flies by. All the days you thought would never come. Memories that you can't quite place. Friends that you never get a letter from. Everybody that you love. Every little thing you fear. Every crazy night that you live through so the train could bring you here. Bet you didn't see it coming, did you? Bet you wonder what comes next. Well, I would love to give you some advice, son, but I ain't got none left. Putting on a smile can be like trying to get an old car to start. Life is tough and the first 100 years are the hardest part. Here's a 20, pay the